refreshing. I can taste the berry flavor, which I really like. Okay, definitely my magic pinky powder, because I think I pun tak expect macam ada local brand yang ada shade untuk brown skin tone untuk orang India ke orang kulit macam I. Memang I tak expect langsung. Bila I try, I think the formulation is amazing. So I personally love the magic pinky powder. Dia scientist daripada Switzerland, and I know he's very into like the beauty industry, and dia memang ada knowledge dalam the beauty industry. Dia memang ada research banyak. So yeah, that's what I heard about him. I actually like it because it's very refreshing and dia tak manis sangat. Usually my followers, diorang punya concern is ada supplement terlalu manis. I think this one is perfect, like any age group can take. It tastes very nice, banyak refreshing. I can taste the berry flavor, which I really like. First time trying a jelly supplement actually. Usually macam liquid je. Yeah, easier, dia takkan tumpah lah. Powder kalau angin terus, baju semua gone.